Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to be unboxing the premium Boxycharm for the month of July. I had a ton of caffeine, so I am completely just caffeined up. So let's go ahead and dive into the first product in the box, you guys. I'm so excited because I feel like every time I receive Boxycharm's boxes, it's like a monthly gift to myself that I have no idea what's inside of it. So that's always super fun. But the first thing that I grabbed in here is this card, and the theme of the month is status 000. I have 000 idea of what that means, but as you guys can see, I do have most of my makeup done already, so we're going to be a little bit limited to what I can put on my face today. But the first product that I got in the box is this right here, and it is a multi-use sculpting palette. So like cream type of contour palette, and I'm really excited because I actually don't have a cream palette. I'm still using powder products. That's just what I'm used to. I'm really excited to try out some cream contour. Let's see what's the next product. We've got an Avant Blue Volcanic Stone Purifying and Antioxidizing Cleansing Gel. I have not tried anything from Avant. So anyways, let's see what's inside as the next product. This is the Uma Beauty Badass Icon Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Tracy, you guys, and I love the bullet that it comes in. I really like the shade, and it's not typically something that I would purchase for myself, so wow, I really love this color. The next product in the box, however, is, so there's two beauty blenders from Luxie. Typically, I do use brushes for my complexion makeup, but maybe I can use this for blush. I just feel like they're kind of like a breeding ground for bacteria, and I'm very acne prone. So if my face has any like dirt or makeup or whatever on it, like left over, I tend to break out. I'm probably going to just use that for blush and see how that goes. Let's see what the next product is inside of the box. That is Serum Glow Filter by Skin Inc, and it looks like it's made in Korea. I love K-beauty products, and it's got little capsules that usually are, they burst as you apply them and massage them into your skin. But this is what it looks like. It just has like a little pump, and then it's like a gel type of consistency. The little white dots disappear once you kind of massage it into your skin. The last product in the box is this right here, and it looks like it's like a palette of some sort. Oh, it's the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism Color Palette by Manny, MUA. And I am like such a huge fan of Manny. I absolutely love him. I'm so excited to receive this. Like, wow, look how gorgeous that is. I love the cherry blossom detailing on it. I think it's such an aesthetic little palette, and I can't wait to see what it looks like inside. Hopefully there's like cherry blossoms on the packaging, because that would be so cute. And I've been wanting to try Lunar Beauty. Honestly, it kind of fell under the radar for me. Like, there's just been so many releases these days that it's kind of hard to keep up. But guys, wow, look at that packaging. This needs to be on display. It's so beautiful. Wow. So like the moon also has like texture, and like the cherry blossoms have texture. This is so beautiful. Wow. Oh my God. Okay, so let's see what's in. These are the colors that are inside of the palette, and it looks like the top shades are all mattes, and the bottom shades are all mattes. And then the middle row are metallic shades, and look at the way that they glisten, you guys. We definitely need to swatch those metallic shades. I need to know what they look like right now. So we've got So Icy, You're Golden, Laura. These are what they look like on the finger. They are so freaking pretty. Wow. Manny, can we just for a second like appreciate those swatches? And they're not the best swatches, so I do apologize about that, you guys. But my dear Lord, let's swatch the last two. So we got Expose, and we have Star Crossed. That is absolutely gorgeous. And because I have like eyeshadow already on my face and my face is already done up, we are going to be doing this as a separate video, and I'm going to create a look with this. So if you guys want to see that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really need to pick my jaw off of the ground. Like, this is so beautiful. Wow. Let's see what the full value of the box is. So the Lunar Beauty eyeshadow palette is $48. The iconic London multi-use sculpting palette is $49. The Oma Beauty lipstick is $24. The Avant skincare is $110. So that's like, this is $110. That's crazy. And then the Skin Ink Serum Glow Filter is $50. And then the sponges from Luxie are $40. That is crazy. I honestly feel like, you guys, that this entire box is really good. I don't know whether or not these are going to be good, but everything else that I got in the box, like especially this palette, this makes this box the best. I'm speechless. Manny, if you see this, you really outdid yourself with this palette, and I cannot wait to play with it. Look how beautiful this palette is. Like, it's so my vibe. It's totally my vibe. Can you guys take a second and appreciate that? I didn't even realize that was holographic. Like, literally all of the details are there. Manny, what did you not think of? Seriously. Oh my god. I'm fangirling, but oh my god. But yeah, if you guys want to see me create a look with the Lunar Beauty palette from Manny, MUA, definitely subscribe to my channel, and that's going to be the next video that I upload, and I'll see you guys in that video. Bye guys.